Welcome to my first gardening video about having the proper mindset before you even begin a garden. And as I scroll to my front field garden, I'm thinking back some 15 years ago about how I wish I had this video then. It would have saved me a lot of grief, anger, and frustration had I had somebody tell me this very simple thing. Quite often we get so nervous and anxious about what gardening book to buy, or whose videos we should watch, or what gardening method we should use. And quite frankly, most of the work is done by these little guys right here, the seeds. Now, whether you believe in God or Mother Nature, it is irrelevant. Basically, 80% of the work is already done by these seeds. They are programmed to succeed. And you can break just about every rule you see out there on YouTube, and these things are still going to grow. Granted, they might have less yield, but again, we're taking on a lot more stress than we need to because we feel like 100% of the success or failure is up to us, and it's not so. These seeds are basically the laborers, and we're the supervisors. We just have to give them a little push here and there, and we will be successful. So I am hoping that this very simple concept will relieve a lot of stress that you have about gardening so you can have a much better time. Thanks.